In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open a Wise business account in the USA as a foreign owner. This process is straightforward, but there are a few key steps you'll need to follow to make sure everything goes smoothly. Let's dive in. First, you'll start by going to the Wise website. Once you're there, navigate to the section where you can open a business account. It's crucial you select the correct option to ensure you're guided through the right setup process for your business needs. Next, you'll want to click on the option that says Open a Business Account. This is your entryway into setting up your Wise account specifically for business purposes. Following this, you'll see a prompt to Get Set Up in Minutes. Go ahead and click on that, which will lead you into the main onboarding process. This setup feature is designed to be user-friendly and efficient, allowing you to configure your account quickly. You'll then need to specify that your business is based in the United States. While Wise operates internationally, choosing the right country ensures that your account is tailored with the correct features and settings applicable within the USA. Once you've selected the United States, click on Continue. This will move you further along into your account creation process. At this point, you'll be asked to identify your role within the company by selecting between director or shareholder or company employee or representative. It's important to choose the option that accurately reflects your position to ensure compliance with Wise's policies. The next step involves filling in your business details. This includes essential information about your company, ensuring that your Wise account is accurately registered. Be thorough here. Having all the necessary information will prevent any delays in the setup process. If you find that your company type isn't listed among the options provided, simply click on Other. Then, proceed to click Save and Continue. This option ensures that even businesses that didn't fit into common categories can still be accounted for, allowing you to move forward without unnecessary hassle. Once all these steps are completed, you should have a fully functional Wise business account ready to support your financial operations in the USA. Each step of the way, remember to review your information for accuracy, and should you encounter any issues, Wise's support team is there to assist you. And that's it. You're all set to start using your Wise business account. This account will prove invaluable for handling international transactions efficiently and with transparency. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope this guide has been helpful in setting up your Wise business